So recently we installed the 70mm 4K Omni here in the Ford Everest, and as you can see, it's right over here. I've been using it for about a month now, more or less, and I'm super happy, not just with the 4K resolution that it gives you, but with all the features that this dash cam provides you. You can even rotate, and most importantly, it has like an AI motion detection, which is super helpful. It has a collision detection, and if you do get the 4G Hardwire Kit, which I really highly urge you to get, you will even get additional features with this dash cam. You see, with the 4G Hardwire Kit, you can enable things such as remote monitoring and real-time alerts as well, and you even have AI-powered smart notifications that get sent straight to your 70My app on your smartphone. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of these features. At the same time, I'm going to tell you how to connect the 4K Omni, the 70My 4K Omni dash cam, to your 70My app on your smartphone. And I'll also tell you why this dash cam is very important and something that you should definitely buy. So first of all, as you can see, its form factor isn't bad at all. It's not too big. It doesn't take up that much space in your dashboard. And this one, there, you can see what it's recording. And also check this on your 70My app. And what I can tell you from the weeks or the month that I've been using it is that it is just incredibly clear. The amazing thing about this dash cam is that it really can rotate, and you even have that rear camera there at the back so that you get practically a 360-degree view of everything going on in your vehicle. Now let's talk about the AI motion detection that the 70My 4K Omni has. You see, this AI motion detection uses advanced AI algorithms to recognize like suspicious activity around your vehicle. This is usually from like, well, humans or whatever it is right there, maybe even animals. And when unusual behavior is detected, the device automatically starts emergency recording and activates warning lights. You're gonna see like a red ring around this just to alert the people, these suspicious people, that hey, we are recording right here to enhance security while you are parked. It also comes with this collision detection function. So let's say your car is parked and someone hits you, a car hits you, right? Or an object hits you, which we will demonstrate. Well, with this collision detection, it features an intelligent algorithm as well that identifies the location of a collision. When an impact occurs, for example, the dash cam quickly rotates towards the collision point to record emergency footage. So to demonstrate the AI motion detection technology, I'm going to use like our key right here as like a bladed object. And as you can see, the dash cam is glowing red to alert me, the suspicious person, that there is a camera recording me. And even if I go around the vehicle, for example, this is the biggest advantage of these rotating dash cams, because it will actually follow me around even if I go towards this side of the vehicle. Isn't that amazing? So now to demonstrate the collision detection technology of the 70My 4K Omni, obviously again, we don't want to crash the car, but it uses G sensors. It senses motion if your car gets hit. So to demonstrate that, let me just shake the car a little bit right here. And the dash cam will turn on right now and start recording. In fact, it can even record it like 5 seconds before the incident even happens. And it'll even send a notification to my smartphone saying that, well, you know, something happened to your vehicle. That way you can check it out immediately, and that now you have evidence. Now I'll teach you how to connect your 70My 4K Omni to your 70My app. It really is super simple. You do have to install your 70My 4K Omni. In case you're not that techie, don't worry, they have authorized installers throughout the country, like in Blade, for example. That's where I had it done. This is the optional 4G Hardwire Kit. Now, once you've installed these two, I want you to go ahead and download the 70My app on the App Store, or if you're using Android, the Google Play Store. And now from here, it's very simple. So you simply boot up your 70My app. You click this Add Device, this plus sign, and then you select, since this case, this is a rotating lens one for the 70My 4K Omni. Just click that, please connect it to power. Basically, just turn on your vehicle, press next, and there, it's going to be detecting the 70My 4K Omni. It's also called the 70My X800. Just click that. It's connecting to the dash cam. Simply press the power button on the dash cam itself, and then just give it a second. There you go. You've successfully connected it. And once you are here inside the app, you can even connect through Wi-Fi towards the device itself. And once it connects, now you can control and see everything from your app. You can even view all your videos, all the recordings from here. Just click album, and then you can see all your videos right here. Parking surveillance, your emergency videos, your vlogs, it's all here. So in conclusion, the 70mm 4K Omni has really been serving me well for the past month or so, and really do urge you to pick one up, including the 4G Hardwire Kit. Now, why exactly do you need one? Well, in my opinion, you really need one of these dash cams, especially the 70mm 4K Omni, for its full capabilities of giving you peace of mind no matter if you're driving your vehicle or even when you are just parked. That way you can see everything that's happening inside your vehicle and outside your vehicle, both forwards and backwards, and even the sides, because it can rotate. And another thing, one thing I didn't tell you is that this even comes with advanced driver assistance system functions, including like lane keeping assist, and if the car in front of you has already moved forward. That way you know always that you are protected even when you are driving. It really adds not just peace of mind, but also safety to your everyday drive and to your car ownership experience. So pick up your 70mm 4K Omni now. Put the links down below in the description, and keep safe, keep your car safe as well.